What up, gang? It's Chris Harrell here, driving to the office. I wanted to run some thoughts by you all because I know that you are all in the grind. You had your Independence Day. You were excited. You're ready to set yourself free, and my gosh, the game is on, right? Well, I'll tell you what. How many of y'all could really go for some amazing baked, steaming, hot chocolate chip cookies right now? Anybody? Find out something you expected on the TI page, right? Well, here's what I want you to recognize is there are recipes for anything you want in life. There are recipes for success, which success leaves tracks. If you follow the tracks, you will get there, obviously. We've all heard that many times. There are recipes for cookies. Plain and simple, right? However, what if I exchanged salt for sugar? And I just slightly tweaked the recipe, something that even looked remotely the same, yet I put salt versus sugar. How many of y'all would be excited about that? Obviously not. That would be disgusting. I would never probably eat a chocolate chip cookie again, or I sure as heck would not have one by this chef making you that chocolate chip cookie, right? Here's what I'll tell you, is most people only pursue a goal once. Now, this doesn't mean to say that you all are most people. You all are overachievers. You all are people that are committed. If you're watching this video, you're wanting to grow and get better, right? But here's what I'll tell you. Most people, as I said, will only pursue a goal once. And the recipe for success requires the ingredient of failure, because most of the clues and lessons you're going to learn are only found through the failure along the way. So as you hear these no's, as you hear these setbacks, whatever that may look like for you, it may be you on your weight loss journey and you ate that bad meal that you know you shouldn't have. But it's okay, because you can make that legal U-turn on your GPS and turn around and go back the other direction, right? It may be you being told no by that person that you were so convinced that was going to say yes. That they're the one that's going to be excited. They have a lot of influence. They are a game changer for your business, right? Guys, no just means not now. It's part of your learning process. There's going to be a lesson learned in everything that feels like a failure, and it's only temporary. And like I said, there's a recipe for everything, and there's a recipe for success, and it is all right when you go through these valleys on your journey. It's part of the process, and that is what's going to help you to break through, as long as you keep your eye on the prize in the end in mind. The day in and day out ebbs and flows are part of the game, and part of that recipe. I love you guys. Make it a great week.